Copilot in Microsoft 365 can help you to unleash creative at work. Imagine you need to create a rock-solid proposal to win the business and you don't have time to write a blog. You can use Copilot to drop a proposal based on customer note in OneNote as well as another internal document. Copilot scan those targeted files and get to work quickly. Generate as a first drop with all the key details from the files as you provided. Now let's say you want to look like your previous proposal. Copilot give you a drop format typically you use. It is insert product images, pull relevant visualization from another files. You can include a short summary at top of the documents, and Copilot can make suggestion as a strengthen the proposal, like adding a frequently asked question. Those features Microsoft introducing upcoming days.